Netflix's newest venture, Raat Akeli Hai, is not quite alone. On the contrary, most of the happenings are done at night only. Ironically, the night is not alone here, but witnessing the horrific deeds, and she is the mute spectator here. Hello and welcome to the short review of Raat Akeli Hai. But before that, subscribe to this channel for awesome updates coming in your ways. Just click on the red subscribe button below. Your one click will motivate me. Raat Akeli Hai on Netflix released on 31st of July 2020. This 2.5 hours long little gem has its ingredients at the right place to hook you up till the end. The story started with Inspector Jatil Yadav, played by Nawazuddin Siddiqui, finding it hard to get married and suddenly found himself in a murder mystery. The characters are many and everyone having their motive for killing. Jatil Yadav was not just trying to solve the murder case but also struggling to keep the political agendas away from the case. The curious case of the killing put Jatil in a professional and personal dilemma which caused the vision blurry for him. Can he unravel the truth, avoiding his agenda or the political pressure? Do watch Raat Akeli Hai for its nail-biting ending only on Netflix. The background score is appropriate and make you feel the noir genre. The use of black color complements it. Noir means black in French, or a film having tough characters, and you would not disappoint here. The frames were short and dramatic to give the feel to the audience. It is the one-man show movie and undoubtedly the peak loads are carried by one and only Nawazuddin Siddiqui. He delivered a power punch performance to be remembered. His every move looks heroic on the screen despite having a smaller structure than many. Whenever he came to any scene, he was not just showcased his sheer brilliance of his acting powerhouse but supported each character. I think his powerhouse performance can easily be compared with Jaideep Ahlawat in Paatal Lok. Radhika Apte is back, and she is back with a bang. The damsel in distress character present in this narrative having many shades, and she brought life to those shades. She was cunning, and the storm inside pale looks captivated the mind of the audience. The writer Smita Singh has already found her fame in Sacred Games, and she justified her talent once again with this little gem. But it is the debut full-time director Honey Trehan steals the show. Honey Trehan is not a newcomer but having some memorable movies under his belt as a casting director. His experience worked here wonderfully as every casting looks so perfect on the screen. The story he put on the screen is an old-school detective thriller. It is not at all circumstantial pieces of evidence but also the investigations are shown, which is lacking nowadays from many claimed thriller movies. The one after another layer revealing as a shock to the audience before the final showdown. Another thing he handled with utmost care is the subject. The controversial subject matter is handled aesthetically, which shows his caliber to give us something new. No praise is enough for this debutant director and I'll be eagerly waiting for his upcoming venture. 5 things I like in this movie are: Nawazuddin Siddiqui. He is an acting powerhouse and showcases his flaws at the appropriate time. From an investing officer to an offended lover, he perfected them all. Radhika Apte. Her second comings with Netflix is bound to happen and she did not disappoint us. The subject. It is very impressive the way the director handling the subject matter. There are quite a few controversial subjects from racism to violence against women, and each topic is treated very carefully. The story. After a long time, we are witnessing a detective story that gets us hooked. It is not some find a clue kind of story but investigative in nature. The director, Honey Trehan, kept the control in his hand from the beginning to the end. At no point of time, any part of the movie looks boring or the time killing. My rating is 3 out of 5 and I would like to tell you that don't miss it. Go for this movie as it is a good watch. That's all for the day. The subscribe button is still untapped by many. Do hit the button and let me know your views on this movie in the comment section. See you again.